Miss friends.
But anyway, before
Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi blank.
Yes. Congratulations, guys.
Oo.
Direct May, and hello po sa castmate and everyone. Sabihin hello, Principal.
Okay. Ano to ha? As character. Reminding you ha, as Dustin ha, as character. Okay.
Savannah, piliin mo ko kasi parang ba't gawin ito nang hindi masaspoil?
Baka mas-spoil eh. Okay. No, think of something na hindi i-Easter egg na very, very vague. Sampulan mo kami, Cyril Manabas.
Sige nga.
Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi...
Magaling ako magluto.
Ayun!
Galing.
Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi nanonood tayo ng concert na naka-tricycle.
Kasi maaga ako natutulog.
Okay, Will.
Savannah, piliin mo ko kasi I'll let you experience the world with my love. Buong puso. Period.
Haba ng period. Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi I will show you the world with my
methodology.
Dustin, ikaw naman. Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi
Ako, Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi mamahalin kita kahit na sino ka man.
Pwede. Bianca, ano masasabi mo dyan, Savannah?
Okay.
Okay. Maganda yan. Okay. Next.